Welcome to another video. Can you be in the video? You got, what's your name?
Abdul Qadir.
Abdul Qadir, Salam Abdul Qadir. Tell us what's the problem today here?
Yeah, we have a beehive here in the school.
Can you show the people where the beehive is?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
You must speak.
Yeah, it's here in the corner.
How long has it been here?
It's been a couple of months.
And where are we currently?
At Lantana Primary in Lentig here, Mitchellsplein. It's in the corner between the fence and the wall.
Do it again, Danny. Alright, so we are ready to move these bees.
What's up, people? Today, some nice comb in there. If you have it close, we're just gonna smoke. Sure, these bees are active. Huh? In the tire. Oh, is there a tire there?
Yeah.
Mr. B, where are you? And let us show you Mitchell's Plain. It's in a school.
We're gonna do it here. And here the babies are. Let's try and get a piece of wood out also. Whew. You can see it behind a lot of proppers. Whew. And
What do you think?
we're gonna have to get the tire out though, so
Again?
yeah. See if you can pull it out? Nice. Good. Alright. Still drones. Good sign. Yeah, wash the equipment out though, no?
Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah.
It's working a bit too good now. I know. I'm just, you can see what I'm doing. I'm not even, I'm just putting it off. Now it's inside the tire, so it's still not going to work. Ooh! Hold it this way. Snapshot! Put it on the way? Yeah?
So,
Oh,
like
lovely
this.
brood. Yeah. Lovely brood. So there's a potent queen there. It's been laying wonderful. I think put 2 frames. 2 frames from there. Oh, it's a lot of propolis as well. Propolis. There's a lot of gaps. They even propolize the bottom of the tire over here. See?
At this very moment, we see extracting the comb
whole lot of cactus here. Here's the cone.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's a lot of drones. I don't think they need so much drones. See this one hatching out here?
Mr. Hatchable. Hello.
How are you doing? You're going to take it down. Here we go! Yay! Champion of the fins! Super! Alright. Trek hem uit, druk het tapot af. There you got it. Alright, leave it like that. We don't need to move it more. We just want to take a tire out. Oh, they're behind the tire. Here. Oh, even here.
Huh?
Even there. Behind, in the corner though.
Is it out the way? Is there anything on the side?
No, a little more.
Jab it.
Yeah.
Get tidy enough. Clean it up.
Yeah. We need the tire out. Let's pull it up now.
You want to just pull it out? I must lift it.
Got it. And maybe lift it up.
Oui.
Maybe you can. Alright. So we have taken the tire out. Lo and behold, what a huge swamp it is. Not a lot of honey, which is bizarre. A lot of brood though. So quite a bit in the tire. All we need to do is, as always, remove the comb, take all the debris and whatever the proper lies, and the rest is history. So you want to lift it up? Or? Other way, actually, okay, but it's fine. Here's the honey. Walk in this side. Signs are here. So they're all flying here because the queen is here. It's underneath the tire side.
I'm going to lift it.
Alright. So slowly. Okay, lift. No? Wait. I think sweep him in, man. Sweep him in. Okay.
How long can you leave the box here?
Why? Well, I'm gonna
Sit for now.
no, they'll sit tonight, ones.
But is it open?
No, they say they'll arrange for the security too. They'll arrange for the security. Estoy muy oh, yeah. It's warm out.
Wait, wait, wait. Yeah. Wait, wait, where's the clip? Where's the clip?
Oh my gosh. Where was she survived?
Sitting on your head.
She flew on my head. Oh my gosh. What are the chances? Alhamdulillah, I thought you weren't going to get her. And there she is. And I think she's a new queen because they did, the school did mention that there was a swarm. Wow, beautiful. Alright, job done. Put her at the back. Wow, I like that.
Put this in here.
I think she was in the tire though, no? Where do you want to put this?
No, put the honey in.
Oh, where do you want to put her?
Inside the box.
Put it here though, no? Ah, nice jobs about it, you see? Sometimes she sneaks up on you. You just don't know what's happening. Do you want to put the rope on or no?
Yeah, no. Strong here.
Alright?
Where do you want to move it?
Like here. Away from the neighbors also.
Now move it.
Yeah. See how they're coming in now? That's what you want. But oh, you can check this my head, not my. Okay. I'm not the queen. The king dingaling, ding ding dingaling.
Took us a bit long, 1 hour 30 minutes and counting. Queen finally emerged from the tire onto his head. That's why it looks like a bee in a suit. Bee man. But job well done. All sorted, got the queen. Pickup will be later this evening, before, just after sunset. Hopefully they all go in the box. Enjoy, subscribe, like, peace out.